What does FBLA stand for? Have you ever wondered how high school students can gain a competitive edge in the business world? One fantastic way is through an organization called Future Business Leaders of America. This national organization is dedicated to helping students from middle school through college prepare for careers in business and leadership. Future Business Leaders of America focuses on developing essential skills like leadership, teamwork, and business knowledge. Members participate in various activities, including conferences, competitive events, and community service projects. These experiences provide practical learning opportunities that go beyond what you might find in a typical classroom setting. For teenagers, joining Future Business Leaders of America can be a game changer. It offers a chance to gain real-world experience and connect with peers and professionals in the business field. This networking can be incredibly beneficial for building confidence and developing skills that look great on college applications and future job resumes. The organization encourages students to set career goals and improve their understanding of business concepts. It also emphasizes the importance of practicing ethical behavior in all business dealings. This focus on ethics is vital in today's business environment, where integrity is highly valued. Most chapters of Future Business Leaders of America are linked to a school's business education department. This makes it easy for students interested in business-related fields to get involved. To participate, students usually need to maintain good academic standing, often requiring a minimum grade point average. This requirement helps ensure that students can balance their leadership activities with their studies effectively. Overall, Future Business Leaders of America provides a supportive environment for teenagers to explore potential business careers. It helps them develop leadership abilities and prepares them for success after high school. If you are a high school student looking to enhance your academic journey and gain valuable skills, consider checking out Future Business Leaders of America. It might just be the perfect fit for you.